what is good? Yo, 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 yo. Fix my camera. All right. All right, I'm going to go ahead and run through it. So, tomorrow, as far as red folder news, we have non-farm ADP report. It's not non-farm payroll. It's just it's an employment report. And then we also have PMI shortly after the bell. So we've been having a lot of 10 a.m. news lately. My best advice, or usually what I like to do, is I like to be very patient, and especially on 9 a.m. news days or 10 a.m. news days, and just let it ride into the news. So I really won't look for setups till post news, right? So I can trade off the data candle that was created from the news, or we can play some setup within that macro. Thursday, unemployment claims. Friday, non-farm payroll, the big one, NFP. So looking at NASDAQ here, I mean, the market's already recovered from the tariff news, right? That's why I always tell people, and I always, whenever there's a dip, do not overreact. Typically, most reactions in the stock market tend to be overreactions, okay? And so that dump was literally nothing. I mean, literally within 48 hours, I know at least with like Canada, right, the tariff situation shit already got ironed out. It's crazy how fast they move on shit. Okay, so we've already recovered quite a bit of this move here. Now we are in a region where we do need to be a little bit cognizant of potential downside. All right, we're trading back into OTE of the range. We did complete filling this gap here, right, NWOG. So we closed through NWOG, and then we've tapped pretty much back into OT of the range. There is some sell side imbalances here that I would still be on the lookout for on the way up. But this certainly doesn't mean the draw isn't higher. It's just something you want to watch, just because I don't know. We haven't really broken new highs yet, right? We've been having sequential lower highs lately, right? So we've been having a lot of these like failure swings, struggling to break all-time highs lately. So we've been kind of downtrending, right? I'd argue more sideways, right? The market's just really been consolidating the last couple of weeks, right? Last couple of months. But there's lower highs within that consolidation. So just be on the lookout. Okay. This one, for example, right? This last range that we traded in, right? We pulled all the way back into OTE, pretty steep into premium before seeing that, 1,000-point move. All right. That can happen out of nowhere. It's a flash crash. Okay. But it's not a stock market crash. So those are great opportunities when you're looking at crypto, especially. Oh my goodness. So we'll dive into that. Some other things I'm going to be looking out for are these equal highs up here, relative equal highs. All right, something I want to watch on the way up. And then we can watch the relative range as well that we're currently trading in. Let me go ahead and get that in. Okay. So we can watch that. We've already pulled back into equilibrium, right? We're back at EQ. So this is an area in which I would expect us to possibly bounce if we're going to continue the uptrend, right? We're tapped into these imbalances here. We've tapped back into discount. So there's just a few things you can watch. Now, if you're watching this overnight, there actually is a decent looking scalp play here. This looks really good. You've swept equal lows. I actually might take this on an eval. We swept equal lows, right? Got displacement through the equal lows. That's your trigger finger strat right there. You have low resistance liquidity above. Watch that. I'm going to set an alarm alert. All right. So looking at that, that's kind of my main focus, right? I'm not too pessimistic. For us being able to, take this external high, but I'm just being cognizant of the trend it's been the last 2 months. Okay. But at some point we do got to get out of this, John. So maybe sooner than later. Bitcoin, chilling. You missed the dip. Too bad. Pulled back to the 90 to 92K floor I've been discussing in my Discord. I think Bitcoin's going to hold that. Ethereum, right? I'd be very surprised if we traded all the way back through this low. I extremely doubt it. It would be very odd. This is a statement right here. That's a statement candle, right? Look at that pin bar on the daily. Incredible, right? Right against that trend line to the tick. I've had this trend line drawn in here for over a year now. I haven't deleted it. It's been on this chart for a minute. And look right where it went. Trend lines aren't real, bro. Solana, right? Same kind of situation here. Lots of low resistance liquidity resting above. Right? All for the taking. You just need to get confirmation of a bounce. Now we are getting premature signs of that. We get this change in state of delivery on price. All right, so there's premature signs of us beginning to potentially bounce here and then go sweep all that liquidity. But it's going to, it's codependent on Bitcoin just because they have that correlation. XRP, same thing. A lot of crypto. You're going to see this V-shaped recovery with this wick, super long wick low. That's just from that flash crash, and we've already recovered most of it. I would argue it's still fairly discounted. I don't think you missed a whole lot. Do I think we're going to come all the way back down here? I doubt it. Do I think we can sell off more from here? Yeah. Okay. So let me take a look at this here and see if you guys have any questions. I might just trade this on live. What's good? Hit that like button, boy. Hit that like, son. You see my candle in the chat. Shorts went off the screen. Bro, you've been trading all day. You are a machine. Yeah, $400 at Oh damn, you're East Coast, bro. Wait, are you East Coast? What time is that? 11. Yeah, you're East Coast. Okay. Well, either way, all right. $400 at 11 o'clock is not too shabby. You get ready for class, bro? You get ready for class? Goon. Grey Goose. Dude, Grey Goose is my favorite. That's like all I can drink. That and Tito's. Tito's, man, they show out, but nothing's like Grey Goose. Nothing's like Grey Goose, man. There is a difference between Grey Goose and Tito's. Okay, if you know, you know. Hit that like, Mr. Cash. Tell him, James. Tell him, no. Yeah. So as far as trades that I took today, we can probably run through some of that. Let's take a look here. Let me just get my bearings. So we caught something around lunchtime. Not a typical time that I trade, but I was so patient today. I didn't see fucking shit all morning. I kept trying to catch this fucking, like, price action was weird for me. Like I was trying to time this fucking impulse move, but there was not a lot of prior signs to that. I mean, I don't know. It was just the momentum was just crazy. I don't know. The momentum threw me off for a little bit. So because of the fact that it threw me off, it was hard for me to find an entry. So I just waited most of the day. We finally got something later on. Yeah, okay. So let's rewind this back here and tell the story. All right, so we had the news that gave us this data high and this data low. Okay. So I just kept those on watch pretty much most of the day. And then as price was doing its thing, right, I noticed we tapped one side, so I was expecting us to tap the other. So when we got there, right, that was a strong confluence for me. I'll show you why. There's a lot of things working here. Okay. So we had this big rally, right, coming into the move. Huge rally here all morning, right? That's why if you miss the pump, you don't need to stress too much about it. Don't get FOMO if you miss a big move like this. It's hard not to FOMO. I get it, but you need to be patient when you trade. So when we're pushing hard like this, just fucking wait. If you can't get in, sometimes you can get in when it consolidates a little bit here. You get a little consolidation moves on the way, but if you don't get a lot of that, it may be hard to get in. Let it fucking ride, dude, because what you can grab is the pullbacks, right? So we tapped into an area of interest, right? AOI, that's an area in which I would expect price to have some kind of reaction. And then we tapped into discount and this liquidity pool here, right? So we did all that. Now all I need to do is just note the displacement prior and just see how we react. If we respect this, we're gonna dump. I know that. And if we don't, there's an opportunity. Right. So I called this out in my group today. Great trade. Great trade. A fucking plus. 30 points. Easy money. Talk to me, dog. That trade was nice. This is why patience fucking pays. I'm telling you guys. It's hard to do it in trading. but it takes a little bit of chart time. It takes chart time to know when you see pumps like this, don't fret. Know how you can jump in or know how you can try to get in after the fact. Okay? That takes experience. I'm giving you tidbits now. You do what you want with it. That was a nice setup. That was A+. Fantastic. Tapped into liquidity, V-shaped recovery, for the most part, fairly V-shaped. Clear objective above, right? And we're trading in a discount. We're delivering from a discount. Fantastic. A+. That's all you need. One and done. Done for the day. Turn off the charts. All right. Okay. Hit that like, man. Smash it. Get it, dog. Get it. Yeah, man. Where the OGs at? I know there's some OGs in here. I know it. I feel it. All right. Yeah, so our group today, just want to share this real quick. So we just added a new analyst to our Discord, right? This motherfucker, dude. This move I just got done talking to you about, dude, they caught this whole move this morning. Like almost that entire move. It was nuts. Oh Lord, it was nuts. Alex the Goon, what up, baby? Dude, that new alert channel is banging. Oh my Lord, dude. They hit bangers back to back. That's crazy. Oof. So yeah, I personally didn't catch this, okay? But somebody in our group did. A few people did in our group. Yeah, no, it just doesn't fit my criteria. My edge doesn't rest in there. If I don't see my edge, I don't take a trade. It's that simple. Alex, what up, baby bro? Get that fucking depo, son. Get that deposit, son. You're in longs? You're in longs right now? Bro, what? Fuck, I don't have my phone. I wouldn't get in longs quite yet, but it looks really good. This looks really good. This is, not gonna lie, like, definitely like probably A+. Yeah, this is A+. Oh, Lord, this is good. I'm gonna take this on eval for sure. Beat my own ass. Crazy. I gotta stop trading at night, dude. The liquidity is ass. This trade ain't even gonna fucking win by the time I get my ass up in a few hours, bro. That's crazy. Check the 3-minute. TFS strat, no Cali, but my chart is East Coast. Okay. I like it. No, I was going to do mine East Coast, but I'm so used to Central Time. Everything that I carry on me is Central Time. So I don't want to, like, I'm always looking at my watch and, I don't want to fuck with that. I got to get this fucking room going, dude. You see how bare this shit is? Got nothing I got like one thing hung up. I got no fucking lights. Got this fucking tripod back here. Got some exotic shit. Got this fucking tree, dude. Yeah, I gotta raise my camera up. Yeah, I'll get this joint going. Need to do it this weekend. Bro, like, I'm goose and kettle. Goose and kettle? Okay. Here, give me a second. Gotta switch my account. I guess I'll trade on this one. 1 con on this. I might go 2. This is A plus, but I hate, man. I'm such a skeptic trading this fucking late. I don't know, bro. What'd you guys trade today? Fucking, the only thing I don't like about YouTube is I can't see your guys' charts. But if you saw something, let me know. Actually, you can throw it in Discord. I'll pull it up on YouTube if you do that for me. Put it in Discord. Just fucking ping my name. If you have a chart you want me to pull up, and then I'll pull it up on YouTube here and we can analyze it real quick. Mr. Cash off the goose, make him savage. That boy off that goose, boy. Oh, man. Yeah, I haven't drank in a long time. I barely drank. I used to do it a lot in Nashville, but I got worn out. The hangovers take like 3 days now. It's fucking bullshit, dude. I guess unless I get an IV or something, I guess an IV would be pretty quick. Just don't do good with needles. Alex Dagoon. Bro, Alex, what was your trade today, man? I saw you said that you were down bad and then you recovered it and then some. Just post it in fucking Discord or whatever. I'll fucking pull it up on here. This setup looks fantastic. If it wasn't 10 fucking 30 at night, oh my gosh. This is crazy. All right, we're gonna look at this. All right. Accumulation. And, this looks like a winner, dude. What? Nice. Hell yeah, bro. Get it, bro. 60 points banging. I don't know what your edge is or how you trade. Looks like you just held it through the pullback. What time frame is this? 1 minute? Okay. Yeah. That's good, dude. Yeah, see, my ass would probably try to get in just here and then catch that little leg. What time of day is this? 2, so that would be 4 my time. Is that right? Is your Cali? Doesn't sound right. I'm so dumb right now. I cannot figure out where I'm at. Yeah, I don't know where that's at. Grey Goose. I don't know, Brody. I don't know. I was down in the chop before 3 counties. Macros respected the 5-minute CE. My chart's Eastern. Oh, so 1 o'clock. Oh, yeah. Gotcha. You held it to where? Up here? Nice. That's a good That's a good trade, dude. Good job. That's a good hold right here. You knew when you get that candle off that imbalance there. What is that? Is that back in discount? No, not quite. But that candle was nice. This one was not nice. That candle would have sucked. This is nice. I really like this leg right here. You got that reversal. You got the OTE. It happened during a macro. I didn't even notice that till now. But it happened during a macro. And then, I don't know about PTs for me in that situation. Probably just these internal highs, obviously, but I'm just trying to see if there was like, oh, right there. That's the money right there. Oof, I didn't see that till now. That's the money right there. Not hindsight. You guys know me. I'm not cap. You guys know where I like to pick my price targets. Those who are in my private Discord. Hi, can you chart DNN? Sure, man. I think DNN. What is this? Denison Mines Corporation. 1.65 bill marking cap. All right, so you have a very small cap. You have a small cap. Not quite a micro cap, I think. So the most I can look at here is the weekly. They've obviously been pretty high at one point, but that could be you take that with a grain of salt with this. It's been good over the last couple of years. The most we can do is look at where we're trading. So we pulled back into OT of the range. I like that. Which means we pulled back into a discount, right? All this terminology I'm using, all this other stuff, just don't get overwhelmed by it. What I'm trying to tell you is that price is in an area which we would like to purchase. It's cheap. It's discounted, right? When do you buy things? When they're on sale, right? When you go to the store, when they're on a discount, not when they're in that premium, right? You wait for the Black Friday sale. You wait for the whatever, those deals out there. So we pulled back into a region where I expect deals to take place. Hold on, let me take this trade. We got the close. How many points is that? 12 points? Oh, man, I don't want to hold this all night, bro. Fuck. Should I just go for that high? I'll go for that. Man, I do not want to hold this shit all night. That was so stupid, bro. Got my ass fucked up, bro. All right, DNN. So looking at this. Yeah, I like where it's at, man. I mean, it looks good. I mean, on the higher time frame, it looks really good. Now, you're probably going to have to wait. The way it's looking, man, let's see. You might have to wait a couple weeks until you start getting near the prices you want to see. But I'm telling you, this is a good spot. Like this is I like this area. I don't give financial advice on here. I don't press the buy or sell button. You press the buy or sell button. If you want financial advice, you see professionals. All right. I like this talking to myself. I like this as a buy zone. It's cheap. It's hard to go wrong here. Your risk to reward is fantastic because honestly, like, you know, I wouldn't want us to see really as low as like 150. I mean, and honestly, you can even just say the lows here. I mean, you have You have these equal lows down here. That's a strong support level. This is a killer support level right now. So honestly, I would just set my stops below that and just say, fuck, here we at. That's me talking to myself. Right? What's good, brother? I'm not picking my nose. I got bad allergies. Prior macro high. That's the macro high that was not swept. Check the chat, boy. We boosted already. Bro, we seriously still boosting right now, bro? Yeah, boy. I'm rich. I'm rich. I probably should have went heavier because it's so fucking late, huh? Live with KP. We changing the stream to the fiend hours, boy. Why the fuck are we trading this right now, bro? That's crazy. No problem. Hit that like, guys. Hit that like. Helps the channel a lot. All right, I'm just gonna have to set alerts, dude. I'll probably be asleep by the time this does any fucking thing. This is my PT. Fiend hours, boy. Fiend hours, boy. Cash, how many colonies you in? Cash in 2 colonies right now, boy? Bro, this boy is unchained. If we retest this fair value gap, I'll add. Because this looks really good, man. Like, I ain't tripping on this, boy. You said 2 connies? Is that where you're at right now, bro? Let me get some votes in the chat, man. Should we do 2 connies here, man? 2 contracts? Let me hear from the chat, man. Let me get 10 likes, man. Let me get 2 more likes. 2 more likes, man. Go heavier on this trade, bro. All right, man. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the retest. Yeah, so here we go, paint dry. So yeah, if we do get this though, you know, 30 points, I realistically like that price target. Like, this is how I would trade it if it was during the day, not during fiend hours. If you're a fucking goblin, you can go up here, but that's crazy. I don't think we'll be up over 100 points by the time we get up. But I do like this setup right here. This is clean. All right. All right, we're doing one last round table. Cash is crazy. Thought you knew Pops. Bro, Cash is going kind of light right now. Not going to lie. He's kind of trading kind of light, bro. When I think of Cash, I think of like at least 15 connies. 15 connies. Easy. Man. All right. I'm going to give it one more minute. 30 seconds. 40, 60 seconds. 30, 40, 60. Just because I know the YouTube chat's delayed. All right, well, here you have it. We are also live trading. No, I say fucking live trade. But we got a good trade in tonight. We'll see how it plays. This is what I'm in. Obviously eval trade. I'm not trading my funded account on this. That's just a rule that I have. I have to follow my rules. Okay. Unless it was micros. I could fuck on micros on this actually on a funded account. Sure. Yeah, this is A+. This is a really good setup. It's just the time of day. For me, honestly. But otherwise, all right, y'all. Anytime. John, if you want to join the Discord, link is down below in the description. You'll see a link to my WAP page. Let me look. You should see a link to my WAP page. That's going to be, you can get access to my free Discord from there. And I give out free daily stock and crypto watch lists with top 5 stocks and cryptos and price targets. Okay. That's just free. That's just for being in my Discord and hanging out. So eat it up, bro. Got you, bro. And then we also have a chat in there too. You can holler at the boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think you just have to go on WAP, sign up for the free trial. I don't know if I think it asks for email. I don't remember. I'm not sure. I don't recall. But either way, that's how you join. All right. All right, cool, y'all. We'll have a fantastic night. Get some sleep, and we'll see you bright and early in the morning. Gang.